Hello everyone. So today's video is on our project based on home automation. So in this project I have used a controlled LED and motor with the help of sensor and Arduino. So basically let me tell you about hardware first. So I've used a potentiometer over here and LCD. This is Arduino Uno, motor, LED, PIR sensor, and this is temperature sensor, TMP36. So I've connected potentiometer to VO of LCD to contrast the display of the LCD, and I've connected ground and VCC pin of LCD to ground and VCC only, and I've connected RS to digital pin 12. RSO is register select, and enable I have connected to digital pin 11, and these from DV4 to DV7 I have connected to digital pin 5 to 2, as we are using 4-bit data only, and the LED anode and cathode is also connected to ground, as we are not using these pins over here. So as you can see wiring over here, the red wiring is for power, the black one is for ground, the blue one is for analog, and the green one is for digital pins. Now the connections of temperature. There are three pins in temperature sensor: power, V out, and ground. So power is connected to VCC, and V out is connected to the analog pin A1, and ground is connected to ground. And there are also three pins in PIR sensor, and the first pin, that is signal, which I have connected to digital pin 8, and the power is connected to power VC, and the ground one is to ground. Motor have a 2 pin, so terminal 1 is connected to ground, and terminal 2 is connected to digital pin 10, and LED over here is connected to the cathode pin of LED is connected to ground, and the anode one is connected to digital pin 7. So in practically you can assume the motor and LED as a fan and light. So now let me tell you about the software. As I'm using LCD over here, so I've included a file liquidcrystal.h, and I've also created a constant, means the pin which I've used, digital pins which I've used to connect LCD. I've given the name to them, like RS pin is connected to digital pin 12, so RS pin equal to 12, like enable EN equal to 11, D4 to 5, D5 to 4, D6 to 3, D7 to 2. And now I've given a command liquid crystal LCD RS EN, all the digital pins which I've used in Arduino Uno. So I'm letting library allow Arduino board to control LCD. I've created constants over here, like PIR is connected to digital pin 8, so the digital pin 8 PIR equal to digital pin 8, and LED is connected to digital 7, like that. The temperature pin is A1 and fan is to 10, and I created some constant like here temperature to calculate temperature, and temperature minimum 30 mean temperature at which the fan will start, and temperature maximum when fan will reach at its maximum speed and it will turn off. And this is to calculate fan speed, this is to calculate fan speed, and PIR sensor state to store the state of the PIR. So in void setup, first of all I have given pin mode PIR input, as PIR is using as input, LED is output, fan is output, temperature pin is input, and also I am using LCD.begin 16, 2. It is to initialize the interface to LCD screen and specify dimensions. And in void loop, first of all, I am checking the state of PIR. So PIR state equal to digital read of PIR. If the signal given by PIR is high, if PIR state equal to high, then the LED will glow, and if PIR state equal to low, then the LED will not glow. Means the what PIR do over here is that PIR actually detects the infrared coming out from the human body or animal. So if any living organism is near the PIR sensor, then automatically the light will glow. So now the next command is temp equal to retemp. Retemp over here is a function to calculate the value of the temperature in Celsius, like temp equal to analog read of temperature pin. So we are getting the value of temperature, then I'm converting the temperature into Celsius and returning that value to variable temp here. And now I'm checking if the temp value which is being stored in temp is less than minimum temperature, then the speed of the fan equal to 0 and analog right fan comma speed fan means the fan will not rotate, no action will be taken, and digital right fan dot low. And if temperature is between minimum temperature and maximum temperature, then the fan speed is equal to temp, fan speed equal to temp, and fan speed giving actually mapping means map function is used to remap temperature value from one value to another. I mean it is used to control speed of fan. So I'm giving from 32 to 355 the speed of the fan will be controlled, and then analog right fan dot fan speed. So with this command the fan will start moving, and if temperature is greater than temperature max, then fan will turn off. Means practically that temperature may not be available in any region, so I have given that. And these are the commands for printing temperature on the LCD. LCD.print temp, LCD.print temperature, and C set cursor delay. So this is all about the software. Now let me show you the simulation of my project. Now as you can see, now the temperature is 74 degrees Celsius, and as I change the temperature 52 degrees Celsius, then speed of the fan is 4000 when it is about approx max speed of the fan. As I decrease the speed of the as I speed the temperature value, the speed of the fan automatically decreases. See, it's now 1500 near about, and if it goes below 30, then automatically the fan stops. And now let me show you the PIR sensor. If anything is detected in the region of PIR, then LED will glow automatically. This you can see over here. See, and out of the region, the LED will not be glow. It will turn. So this is all about my project. I hope you like it, enjoyed it. Have a great day.